Craving a piping hot pizza without breaking the bank? I'm about to show you how to unlock discounts and freebies using Little Caesars codes. First, grab your phone and open the Little Caesars app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're in, look for the promo code, deals or rewards section. It's usually located on the home page or in the app menu. Tap on it. You should now see a text field where you can enter your code. This is where the magic happens. Carefully type in the code you have. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears, paying attention to capitalization. After entering the code, tap the Apply button. This will activate the discount or offer associated with the code. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message, and the discount will be applied to your order total. You will also see the details of the code added to your order. Now, you can continue browsing the menu, add your favorite items to your cart, and proceed to checkout with your well-deserved discount. That's it. Enjoy your discounted Little Caesars pizza. Make sure to check online forums and social media groups for the latest working codes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks.